We've all been there. That heavy, sinking feeling when we know we should be doing something, but we just can't. The pull of the couch, the endless scroll of social media, the phantom urgent tasks that magically appear to distract us. Laziness, procrastination. These aren't just harmless quirks. They are insidious forces that can rob us of our potential, our time, and ultimately, our happiness. Let's be clear. Laziness isn't simply about being unmotivated. It's a complex interplay of psychological factors. It's fear of failure, the overwhelming feeling of, where do I even start? The lack of clear goals, and often, a deep-seated belief that we're not capable of more. Procrastination, its close cousin, is a master of disguise. It whispers sweet lies, telling us we have plenty of time, that it's not that important, or that we'll do it better tomorrow. But tomorrow rarely comes. Or rather, it comes, and we find ourselves saying the same thing again. The consequences of this cycle are profound. We lose opportunities, we erode our self-esteem, and we find ourselves trapped in a pattern of stagnation. We look around and see others achieving their goals, living fulfilling lives, and we wonder, why not me? The answer often is that they've learned to manage or overcome the very forces that hold us back. So, how do we break free? It starts with understanding. First, acknowledge the problem. Don't dismiss your procrastination as a mere habit. Recognize it for what it is, a barrier to your growth. Next, break down overwhelming tasks into smaller, manageable steps. If the thought of writing a report fills you with dread, commit to writing just one paragraph. If you need to clean your house, start with one room. Tiny victories build momentum. They create a sense of accomplishment, which in turn fuels further action. Set clear, specific, and achievable goals. I want to be more productive is too vague. I will write for 30 minutes every morning before work is concrete and measurable. Write your goals down. Put them where you can see them. Remind yourself of what you're working towards. Eliminate distractions. This is crucial. Turn off notifications. Put your phone in another room. Find a quiet space where you can focus. Protect your time as if it were your most valuable asset, because it is. And perhaps most importantly, cultivate self-compassion. We all slip up. We all have days where motivation is low. Don't beat yourself up. Instead, acknowledge the setback, learn from it, and get back on track. Remember, progress is not linear. It's a journey of ups and downs. This isn't about becoming a productivity machine. It's about reclaiming your life, your time, and your potential. It's about living with intention, with purpose, with a sense of fulfillment. You have the power to break free from the chains of laziness and procrastination. The only question is, will you choose to?